Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. This is another very important video for all of you because your results have been announced and now you all are busy in filling your counseling forms. So I just want to warn you all about certain mistakes which are likely to be committed by you. So because you are filling these forms for the first time, so I'm always there to help you guys. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to like the video also because every day I'm bringing very useful videos for all of you. So now let us see what are the mistakes which you people have to avoid while filling in your counseling forms. So the first thing is that you have to be very careful that all the steps are completed. Means it shouldn't be that you are not able to understand anything and you leave one step. You think that this will be filled in later on and this and that. So this will create a big problem for you because there will not be any correspondence related to incomplete forms. Means you cannot request the university that I have not filled this form, this and that, and your form will be rejected. So be very careful, don't leave any step incomplete, right? This is the first thing which you have to keep in mind. Second thing is that if you are filling this counseling form, you should be very careful. Means you should think before submitting your fee because there will not be any request entertained for the remission of that submitted fee. Means if you have submitted your fee of 1000 or it may be more than 1000 also if you have applied for more courses, so fill this fee very carefully. Means just plan and think carefully whether you really want to go for that course or not. Otherwise don't waste your money because this counseling fee of 1000 will not be repaid at any condition, right? So this thing you have to keep in mind. So this mistake also you have to avoid. Another thing is that whatever information you are filling, that should be accurate. Don't fill any unauthenticated information. Don't fill anything that is not true because your documents, your everything will be verified and on the basis of that only you will be provided admission. So if you are thinking कि अभी हम कुछ भी भर देते हैं बाद में देखा जाएगा, तो that will not be entertained. So be very careful about this thing. So these three things you have to keep in mind, that you don't have to leave anything incomplete. You don't have to be in a hurry to do the payment, and you don't have to fill any fake information. And apart from that, if so you still have any doubts, you have to keep visiting the website of the university regularly because there will be many updates now because your result is out now, your choice filling will be there. So everything you have to keep visiting the website of the university. And in my previous video of IP University, you have to check that one also because there also I have given you one email ID that is for your grievances. So that is also very important. And apart from that, I have uploaded one more video today that is for Delhi University webinar that is going to be held today only. So to know the details, check that video. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast and like the video.